Do you want to know how to book flights to Morocco just for £15? That's right, £15. A smash burger these days costs more than £15. And trust me, it's not a scam. Just follow the process and you'll know it yourself. Just make sure you smash that follow button because that's what I do. Find the cheapest flights from the UK and the cheapest holiday packages. And then I share them on my social media, especially TikTok. And do let me know what countries, holiday packages or flights are you looking for. Now let's book these flights to Morocco just in £15. Onto the Google flights and choose your departure airport, London Luton, and return airport, Tangier Ibn Battuta, which is in northern part of Morocco. And then let's just check one-way flights first, and then we'll do the return trip. And soon as we select one-way trip, the prices will change accordingly. So if you look on 5th of January 2024, the price is only £15. You'll fly with Ryanair and it's a non-stop direct flight. Now on my last post, a lot of people complained that those flights included 2 stops. So I thought let's just do a direct one this time. So there you go. And you can book these flights directly with Ryanair. Now I'll show you the return flights as well. Just make sure you hit that follow button and save the video for later and share it with your friends and family. And you can also follow me on Instagram, YouTube, Snapchat and Facebook. Exact same name, Holiday Guy 96. And there you go. On February the 3rd, you can make a round trip in just £39, and you can choose different dates as well depending on your availability and the budget, and the rest of the process is the same. Now don't forget to hit the follow button and do let me know in the comment section what you think and which countries, flights or holiday deals are you looking next.